This might look like an ordinary garden filled with ordinary plants, but those in the know will tell you it's more like a kitchen pantry filled with delicious foods just waiting to be cooked. And that's exactly what these guys plan on doing.
Jack! You know you can't eat that, it needs to be cooked first.
Ah, yeah, I knew that.
Well, this is our Indigenous edible garden. We have lots of Indigenous plants that we like to use for cooking. We look after the plants with plants and plants. We also put mulch around to make the place look nice. We water the plants and take care of them. It's really fun to get your hands dirty.
So what is this?
This is a warrigal greens. They're a type of spinach. They grow like a lot.
And we can't eat them?
You can, but you have to cook them first so you don't get sick.
Okay, well that's good to know. The garden also includes stacks of other native foods, like lemon-scented grass, wattle seed, and old man saltbush. And what can this be used for?
Soups and salads.
They're just some of the almost 6,500 different types of native foods or bush tucker our country has to offer. For the past 60,000 years, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people have been growing and harvesting native plants, and not just for food. Some are used for healing, like arati, which can help ease cold and flu symptoms. Or some are used to make tools, like kumbunji, which can be weaved to make nets. But the plants in this garden are used for cooking. Right, so we've got our warrigal greens from the garden. What are we going to be making?
We're going to be making warrigal greens and fair triangles.
Yum. Do you want help cutting?
Yes, please.
Okay.
You have to do them very fine.
I will do them very finely. In the past few years, the bush tucker industry has really taken off, with things like Kakadu plum yogurt, bush apples, and goat's cheese coated in lemon myrtle and green ant crumb. Delish. Now, a group of scientists from the University of Queensland reckon it's time Aussies embrace the native foods our country has to offer. So they've been working with local Indigenous communities to try and boost the bush tucker industry in Australia and take it global.
But it means that we get to reinforce that information for ourselves and then share that passion and knowledge, not only with members of our family groups, but with the public as well, so that we can develop a combined appreciation of just how wealthy Australia is in terms of its native foods.
And on that note, I think it's time to eat.